Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using the Heffy Doodle Happy Snappy Crops stamp set. I applying to my paper. This is a media paper. My infusions dust. These have different pigments inside. Like you can see, they have blue and browns, and I want to get like a dirty brown, like muddy looking brown, and I knew with this one I can accomplish that in an easy way. After that, I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to apply with my texture sponge. I'm going to apply texture with my alcohol inks. The colors that I used were citrus and lettuce. I mixed them in a piece of acetate, and I just apply it lightly with my sponge. I didn't press the sponge hard because I didn't want the paper to absorb in big places. I just want be like texture in small dots. Maybe you find an easy way to do this, but this is the way that I figured out that I want my crops, my crocodiles, to have their skin. After my paper is all dry, I'm going to stamp my image using my Misty, and I'm going to stamp also the same image but in a opposite way, like a mirror, and I'm going to cut them with my scissors. They come with die cuts, but I didn't want to use it in this case because I don't want the brown green scene in this case. After I finish cutting them, I'm going to apply in the top of the crocodile with my crushed olive distress ink. I'm going to just to add a shadow in the top of each crocodile, and after that I'm going to use my memento marker to go all around the image to make them look like they are very well cut. Before going around with my memento marker, I'm going to use my gel pen in white, and I'm going to color all their teeth, and also going to grab my pastel chalks and add a little bit of blush in the cheeks. I'm stamping right now two of the bolts that came in the set, but I'm going to cut the strap, and I'm going to make one in black and one in pink, one for the head of one of the crocodile and the other one for the neck. It's going to look like a boy and a girl. Okay, after I finish my crocodile pieces. I'm going to cut these two pattern papers, one in blue with dots and the other one is like grass, and I'm going to do like a heel shape using a die cut, and I'm going to glue the heel in the bottom of the car panel, and the crocs are going to be in the top of the grass, pretending like they are going to hug. I cut 7 hearts using my heart spoon paper punch, and I glued them like in a semi-arch or arch shape in top of the crocodiles. Then I stamped the word hugs with my Versamark, and I'm going to use my black embossing powder. When I finished setting my embossing powder, I cut a piece of white cardstock to make A2 card. I'm going to glue my card panel to my card base. I don't mind the tails are peeking out of the paper. If you mind, you can cut them out and it's still going to look nice. After that, I'm going to do some retouches. That is the teeth. I'm going to use my black gel pen to mark them very well because some part of the white get out, and I'm going to also color the nostrils and the eyes. That way they look a little bit darker. Also, I'm going to add with my red gel pen in the hearts, and with the pink gel pen in the bows, and with a black glitter pen in the black bow. After that, I'm going to add glossy accents to the hearts, and that will finish my card for today. Well, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.